think there is a very good reason to invest in a Festool sander. Oh no, you guys are, oh, these were all closed. All closed. I'm organized of a person. Now, we have a couple different sanders. We got the ROTEX. We got the Festool finish sander. We got the Festool Delta sander. We got the best Milwaukee I could find. And we got a DeWalt. Now, why do I have so many? Well, because I started off with the Milwaukee and it's utter garbage, I'll be honest. Then I upgraded to the DeWalt because, you know, spend more money, get a better machine, or this one may have been more expensive, but, you know, I figured this one, more powerful. I even put a carbide sander on it. Still doesn't work well, and we'll show you here why in a second. And then I eventually got this guy, and this one's wonderful. I love it. Though sometimes you need a little more power. That's why I got the ROTEX. This thing is like an angle grinder, but for sanding. Definitely a time to use this one. It's time to use the finishing sander. And of course, who wants to sand in corners? You have to hand sand that unless you buy one of these guys, which I melted the tip off it after one project, so definitely some learning curves with the Delta sanders.